Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this creamy, delicious Dulce de Leche flan. And the best part is that this recipe is so easy and requires little ingredients. And if you don't know what flan is, then you are in for a treat. So to get started here, I have a bundt pan. And in this bowl, I have 1 can of Dulce de Leche, which is approximately 1 cup, maybe a little more than 1 cup. And what I'm going to do is start spreading a little bit, a couple tablespoons of this all around the pan. Make sure to get all around the pan. Okay, so I think I used about a 1/4 cup of the Dulce de Leche to coat the entire pan. Now into my stand mixer, I'm going to add 1 package of cream cheese, which has been softened at room temperature. And I'm going to beat that a little bit so it's nice and creamy. Then to that, I'm going to add the remainder of the Dulce de Leche. Give that a mix. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. And 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Then in a separate bowl, I'm going to crack 5 eggs. And then I'm going to add these in here one at a time, beating the mixture after each addition. And your mixture should look like this. It should be liquidy and creamy, and that's going to make the perfect flan custard. Okay, so here's my bundt pan, and I'm going to pour this liquidy custard all over. So to bake this flan, since it is a custard-based cake, we're going to need to bake this in a bain-marie, and what that is a water bath. So basically what you do is you grab a larger pan, fill it with water, and add this in there. You fill it with water about halfway so that it covers about half of this pan. And what that's gonna do is that it's gonna bake everything nice and evenly so that the custard doesn't get burned, since it does take a little longer to bake. And also that water bath helps that caramel that we added on the pan, or dulce de leche that we added on the pan, it helps keep it nice and soft, and it doesn't burn or get hard while it's baking. And that's also gonna make for an easy release when we remove this flan from the cake pan. Okay, so as you see, I already have my larger pan in the oven, and I haven't added any water. I like to add the water after. I'm going to add my flan in there. I'm gonna pull that out a bit. And now here I have some water that has been boiling. I'm going to carefully add that onto the pan. You wanna make sure you fill the pan about halfway with water. And that's gonna bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, and that is done. You wanna be very, very careful because that hot water drips. Look at that beautiful caramel color. So this is the flan after it has completely cooled. And what you wanna do is you wanna grab a plate, place this over, and then just kind of let that flan fall on its own. If it doesn't come out on its own, you can tap it a few times, and if you still have trouble getting it out of the pan, you can flip the pan back right side up and let that sit in hot water for a couple seconds. Okay. Ooh! Look at that beauty. And you can see the dulce de leche just oozing out all over it. Okay, I'm going to cut a nice thick slice of this. Look at that custardy looking cake. That's what a flan should look like. Look at that moussey custardy flan. Oh my god. You guys definitely have to give this recipe a try. So creamy and delicious.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss more delicious recipes like this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.